How to make a personal website for resume on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a personal website for resume on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based platform that enables users to create and manage websites with ease, even without technical expertise, in which it features an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, a vast selection of customizable templates, and a variety of tools tailored for different types of websites, including business, e-commerce, and personal blogs, where users can enhance their sites with SEO tools, mobile optimization, and integrations from the Wix app market, which offers plugins for additional functionality like booking system and social media integration. And now to start, you could also click the Get Started button to sign in, or even the Login button on the top right corner if you already have an account on Wix. And upon signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page, and to create a new site, just click this Create New Site button on the top right corner. Then you will be able to be directed on this page right here, in which it will ask you to set up with AI or to set up without AI. But I'm going to choose to set up without AI. So I'm going to click this button right here, and upon doing so, you will be able to be directed in here. Then from here, just enter the type of website that you're creating, web here, resume that I enter. Then below, it will show you the result, so can you click on result and click the continue button to proceed. And after that, you will be able to see here that your dashboard is now being prepared. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, then you will be able to be directed on this page right here. And on this pop-up window, just enter the name of your site that you want. So let's say I'm going to enter here my personal resume. Then proceed by clicking the continue button below or the skip button if you want to proceed. Then after that, under these Wix apps, you can simply choose an application that you want to add to your website. So I'm going to select portfolio, but you could also select online store, bookings, events, and any other options in here. Then proceed by clicking the continue button to proceed. And after that, from here, you can set up your website or start with a template, or alternatively, even get a custom built site. But in those options, I'm going to start with template, so can I click in it? Then you will be directed on this page. And below, it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose from. Web here, business CV, creative CV, UX designer, and many more. And let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one right here. So can I click the edit button if you want to proceed editing this template. Then you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do is wait for it to load. And after that, from here, it will ask you on this pop-up window to use AI to enhance your website by simply entering here the details about your site to get a personalized content across your entire site. But if you want to edit or customize manually, you can simply exit this part right here, in which on this page you can simply navigate or customize this template using the editing tools that you can find on the left side panel. We have here add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, and many more. And now to proceed, kindly click, or we could also zoom in to 100% if you want to see what it looks like, and proceed by clicking quick edit to start editing some of the elements it contains. And you will see here on the right side panel under quick edit and content, we can see here that we can simply customize the section background by clicking this color, and kindly select on this color palette the color that you prefer. And aside from background color, you could also navigate or change some other elements on this template, including this image if you want to, and also this title. By simply double clicking on this context, you will be able to highlight all of the context, then proceed by entering the context that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter my name in here. Then below, under this paragraph, you could also enter here your job. And for instance, I'm going to enter here accountant. But you could also enter other profession that you also have. And now for this image, just click change if you want to customize the image that is also included on this template. And after that, it will show you a pop-up window where you could also upload an image from your media files on your computer, or alternatively, you could also choose under my board or kindly search for a specific picture that you also want to add in here. But since it's a resume, you could also enter here or input your own images. But at this point, I'm just going to choose male model in order to showcase or to show you how it also getting customized. And as you can see below here, it will show us a variety of result of male model. And let's say I'm going to choose this one, so kindly click on it and click choose image button below. And upon doing so, you'll be able to see here that the image is now being customized. So we just basically change or customize the image, the context, and even the background of this template. Then you could also scroll down and also customize some other elements, including the context, Under this About Me, you could also enter here your personal info about yourself, in which it is important for personal branding. It provides an opportunity to showcase your personal brand. And from here, you'll be able to allow to highlight your unique attributes, strengths, and professional identity, helping you stand out from other candidates if you're going to apply for a job and sending this website resume. Now on the top left corner, we could also change or navigate some other pages if you want to. Let's say we're going to visit this portfolio section. By simply clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page right here. So from here, you'll be able to navigate here or customize some other portfolios or your work, being this quick edit or even manage projects, in which it is important to demonstrate your skills, as it provides a tangible evidence of your abilities and the quality of your work, in which it showcases your skills in a way that descriptions alone cannot, and offering concrete examples of your expertise and accomplishments. And from here, by simply clicking this Manage Projects button, you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, to set up your portfolio with AI, you could also simply choose the kind of work that you're showcasing. We have here web development, graphic design, branding, SEO services, content writing, and many more. And proceed for the next step, which is adding an images. And after that, you can now start creating your own portfolio in here. Now going back on this page, aside from Manage Projects and Quick Edit, you could also navigate or change by using this Add Element section or editing tools in here, where you could also input a text, image, button, strip, decorative, and add other creative elements that you could also add in here on your website, wherein they showcase other elements that you can find to make your website very professional. And also by adding section in here, you could enter or choose to add more section if you want to showcase some other details and also your credentials that will help you to apply for a job easily. You could also navigate site pages and menu, where you can customize some of the site menu depending on your preferences on how do you want to look like. And also you can navigate site design, where you can customize the site theme, color theme, text theme, page background, and page transitions. And aside from that, you could also navigate My Business, Wix Up Market, and other editing tools that you can find on this left side panel. And now if you are now done customizing our resume website, we can now proceed by clicking the Save button on the top right corner, or alternatively, this Publish button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, it will show you your URL. By clicking View Sites, you will be directed on the next tab, where it will show you how your website looks like. So basically, this is what we customized earlier, and this is what our resume website looks like. So this is basically what the people or the viewers will see if they try to visit our resume website. They can navigate home, articles, portfolios, showcasing or demonstrating our skills, and builds credibility to help you differentiate you from other candidates. Now going back on this page, if you also want to upgrade your account on Wix, you can simply click the Upgrade button on the top panel. And upon clicking on Upgrade, you will be able to be directed on this page, where it will show you some of the plans that offer by Wix. We have here Business Elite, Business, Core, and Light plan. Then below it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can make a personal website for resume on Wix. Thank you.